Today, I'm here to explain about the question. Find the real zeros of number A, f of x equal negative 3x to the power 4 plus 3x squared, and number B, g of x equal x cubed negative 2x squared plus x negative 2. So, what you have to do to solve this question? For the previous video, I explained about how to find y-intercept. Y-intercept is the point where the graph crosses y-axis. Then what about x-intercept? X-intercept is the point where the graph crosses x-axis. Okay? Then what is 0? 0 is the x values of each x-intercept. So all you have to do is finding x value of x-intercepts. But how you can find it? If you focus on these blue points, you will notice that these blue points have something in common. These blue points or y values of all blue points are all 0. So you can plug in 0 into y. So in the case of number A, you can plug in 0 into f of x. It's gonna be like this. So you have to find the x value to this equation, make it true. So on the right side it's 0, so you have to make the left side it's 0 too. How you can do that? What I would do is factor them first. So let me factor x squared negative 1 equal 0. Okay? And next one, so x squared x plus 1 x negative 1 equals 0. You know the difference between the first equation and the third equation? Third one is something multiplied something multiplied something. So if any of them is 0, the left side is going to be 0 because 0 multiplied something is always 0. So the x value, you can find x value. X value is 0 or negative 1 or plus 1. So let me write it like 1. Because if you plug in 0 here, this one is going to be 0. If you plug in negative 1, this one is going to be 0. If you plug in 1, this one is going to be 0. So yeah, this is the answer. Okay, the next one, g of x equal x cubed negative 2x squared plus x negative 2. So what you do is same. You plug in 0 into g of x to the power 3 negative 2x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. Then you have to factor them. It's a bit tricky to factor this question. So what I do is first I separate these two. So x squared times x minus 2 plus x minus 2 equals 0. Now you got common factor x minus 2. So let's factor it. X minus 2 times x squared plus 1 equals 0. Now it's something multiplies something. So if you plug x equal 2, this side is going to be 0. But actually that's it. Because there's no way to make this 0. X squared plus 1. So x squared is positive over 0. It's never been negative. So this whole value cannot be 0. So the answer is only x equal 2.